Hi and welcome to HobTech Cars. Today I'm going to be fitting this MG inner retaining ring for the headlight to my 1971 MG Roadster. The existing one on this car has rotted away and that's what I'm going to be replacing today. So first you want to remove this retaining ring around the headlight. It screws counterclockwise. Next, unscrew the chrome retaining ring by unscrewing 3 screws. The chrome retaining ring will pull off as so. Then continue to pull out the headlamp, unplug the electrics and leave the lamp down in a safe place. Next, unscrew the 2 headlamp adjustment screws. Then unplug the spring in the center of the headlamp assembly and the entire outer headlamp ring will remove. Then fit the new headlamp retaining ring. And now essentially we are doing the same thing as we have just done, but in reverse. Now, okay, job all done. The old one was really in bad condition. New one is in. So when you're done, maybe just get your muddy fingerprints off the surface of the car. Don't want to leave that nice shiny paintwork dirty. Yeah, that looks really good now. Before, this was really rattly. As now I have effectively a 3rd screw under here that had rusted away. That holds the lamp in place. Yes, that looks perfect. That is it for HobTech Cars today. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, comment and subscribe as always. And thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.